This yacht looks insane, and it only ranks 91st in the world. Here are the top 10 most expensive super yachts on the planet. Number 10, Yas, 141 meters long, owned by the UAE royal family. It started life as a Dutch Navy frigate, yes, a warship, before being handed off to a French design firm and converted into a floating palace. Delivered in 2011, sleeps 60 guests and 58 crew. Number 9, Nord, 142 meters, worth $300 million, owned by Russian billionaire Alexei Mordashov. 2 helipads, 20 luxury cabins, and a full-size swimming pool. Number 8, One, formerly known as Top EE, 147 meters, around $320 million, built at the same German shipyard as the number 1 yacht on this list. Owner, the CEO of Man City and UAE,